guys, welcome back to Food and Travel with Festive Forever. I'm Tejasvi and today we are in Kalagoda Churchgate. Exploring city's newly opened restaurant called Reka, which focuses on Mediterranean food. This restaurant uses local ingredients which are easily available in the market rather than importing them. So let's go inside and figure out if using local ingredients would make a difference. Let's go. I'm already in love with this place and I have called for my first dish, that is house bread along with muddled salsa. Alright, this dish was recommended to me by their staff, and what information that I have received is that 99% of the people that come here, they definitely love this dish, so I had to order it. What is this?
That's a bread, house bread with muddle yoder. That's a ciabatta bread, that's a sardo, and this is salsa. So it contains roasted tomatoes, chilies, roasted garlic, kachumbuli vinegar is the main base, and you have a basil and olive oil.
Alright.
Yeah?
Yes.
So it's basically an exercise dish on the table. You can do it if you like to do.
What you have to do is, you have to use this thing to muddle it. So let's go ahead and spread this thing over my bread. So I'm going to use this one. I'm just going to spread everything on the top. I like the concept actually. The concept is very interesting. Let's eat it. Wow. Wow. Amazing salsa, guys, amazing salsa. Actually, whenever you go outside and ask for salsa or they give you salsa sauce, I feel that it's not that fresh and uska jo taste hota hai wo bahut zyada ajeeb hota hai, but this salsa is tasting absolutely stunning. The taste, the texture is so good. Breads are very much fresh. Also, they have added a lot of tomatoes, which is making this dish or the salsa very sour. In fact, the olive oil, actually when I was muddling it also, you could see that there is a lot of olive oil, which is, and I feel if you're having salsa or consuming salsa, the good quantity of olive oil always adds brilliant taste to your salsa. So this is one of the highly recommended dish, and if you come here, you can just order this dish and have a great conversation, because this is something that you can chat over. Brilliant. I think comparatively this bread is way more better than this one, and I'm already loving it. The texture of this bread is very soft and this one is little hard, probably because the edges are hard, but then this is so good and it's actually tasting very fresh. I loved it. I can just go ahead and have couple of bites just like that. Let's move on to our second dish, which is called Greek spinach pie. Please explain what is this?
Greek spinach pie is like it's a filo pastry. It's stuffing of spinach and cream, cheese cream, and the filo pastry has been the spinach has been sautéed, then stuffed inside with cream, rolled it, then it's fried and baked, Serve it with spicy mayo and the rocket leaf.
All right, thank you. So I'm gonna dip this into the spicy mayo sauce. मेयो के अंदर इतना अच्छे से रोल करेंगे कि just stunning. It's so tasty. Delectable. Okay, the dish is extraordinary and it has the best combination in this world. I really like and enjoy the combination of spinach and cheese. I feel that it works the best. Also, I feel that many times what people do or restaurant does is that they add spinach and corn together every single time. Like whenever you have spinach, it will always contain sweet corn. So that is not the case over here. They have added cheese and spinach, which works for me brilliantly, and I'm liking it. With the spicy mayo sauce, though I added a good quantity spicy mayo, it did not really hit me, or it was not extremely spicy. Too good. It's been a long time since I have called for mac and cheese. I always like to try mac and cheese for some reason. मतलब मैं mac and cheese देख लेती हूँ मेनू में and I'm like, let's try it, because I like to explore mac and cheese of different restaurants. So here also I had to call for. This yellow color is actually making me feel that this dish is going to be just super. Also, they have added parsley and it's looking cheesy. Okay, this plate, which is made from ceramic probably, it's hot. So if you come here and order mac and cheese, don't touch it, otherwise you'll burn yourself. So let's go ahead and take a bite of our delicious mac and cheese. Cheesy and tasty. It's nice, but I feel that it's not that great, or maybe my expectations for mac and cheese is too high, but it's a nice dish. I feel that they could have added more cheese, though it looked cheesy, or maybe मैं इतने टाइम से यहाँ पर बैठी हूँ तो शायद वो ठंडा हो गया होगा. That could also be the case, but it's nice. Dessert time, guys. I am pretty much sure that you love desserts as much as I love, and oh my god, it's so pretty. Isn't it looking absolutely delectable? So this is called Old Monk chocolate tart, and I feel everyone knows what is Old Monk. So basically Old Monk is an alcohol, but they have added alcohol only for the flavor, so it's not like कि मतलब ऐसा भर भर के डाला है. And of course you can see that there is some sugar powder and white chocolate, and then it's in a tart form, and this is my favorite thing, which I'm just gonna lift it. Yum. Quality of chocolate is good. Now let's eat it. Yummy, yummy. This is so scrumptious, guys. मतलब इतना superb है. So for the base they have used chocolate biscuit, and on the top they have added chocolate, white chocolate, powdered sugar, and then along with that they have provided us with the ice cream, which is also adding a brilliant taste to the chocolate that is already loaded with dark chocolate. And also, though they have added Old Monk, the flavor is very mild. Even if you don't like Old Monk or something like that, you will still enjoy it because the taste is just mild. Only if they tell you or inform you, then you might know it, but otherwise, like, you just come here and ask them chocolate tart, then they'll just serve you this and you won't even realize कि Old Monk है इसमें. But बहुत ही बढ़िया taste है. I loved it. It's delicious, also beautiful. Now let's meter this place on my festive meter. I really loved ambience of this restaurant. The restaurant has followed white and gold theme, and I have noticed or witnessed that these days most of the restaurants are colored or interior their restaurant in white. I feel that this restaurant falls somewhere in between casual and fine dining, and if you're that kind of a person who loves to enjoy quiet ambience, not really quiet but mild music, you're definitely going to love this place. I'm 100% going to recommend first two dishes that I ordered. They were just outstanding and tremendously good. So I'm gonna rate this place 9 out of 10 on my festive meter. So 1 point due to that I feel it's very pricey, but again it's situated at Kala Ghoda Fort, which is like a prime location, so technically it's bound to be little expensive. I think I have given you every vital information that you should know. So if you come to this place, don't forget to tag me on my Instagram, that is Festive Forever 4. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and if you're interested in cooking, then you can subscribe to my other channel called Festive Forever. So guys, that's all for today. I'm gonna see you in my next vlog. Till then, live life festive style. Bye bye. Hey guys, welcome back to Food and Travel with Festive Forever. Today we are in Kala Ghoda okay, exploring city's newly opened restaurant called Loka. What's with Loka, yaar? Loka kya hai? I don't know. Though this dish is called speech Greek pie. Speech